channel. As you can tell by the title, I will be making some hot flaming Cheetos chicken legs. So I'm going to do 3 chicken legs. So I have my ingredients, my Old Bay, my pepper, my salt, and also red pepper, cayenne pepper, along with the Cheetos, hot flaming Cheetos. And the bag that I will be crunching it up in, and my flour that also has seasoning already in it. Okay, so I'm gonna begin to season the food, begin to season the chicken. You don't have to put that much because you're not about 3 chicken legs, correction. 3 chicken legs. I don't have to put that much season as well because remember I tell y'all the flour already has season in it. So push that all around. Okay. Put this in the flour. Put 3 in the flour. Shake it up. Okay. Move that onto the side. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to wash my hands. Clean the table off. So I put some of the hot flaming Cheetos in this bag. Enough. Because I'm going to crunch it all up. Close the bag. My daughter was asking me, my baby girl, she asked me to do this. So, we're trying a lot of things here. First, it was cinnamon walnut cake. Don't forget to go back and look at that, y'all. Check that out along with some more of my videos. And now we're trying the Cheetos, hot Cheetos chicken leg. Crunching it up good. I'll be back after I crunch all this up. Okay, I'm back. And I crunch up all of it. See how red it look? Oh my goodness. Red is crunchy. See how red and crunchy it is? You see all in the inside. So I'm about to take the chicken out of here with the flour. See, it's all flour seasoned up. Flour seasoned. I'm going to put it in here. Chicken legs are seasoned with the flour. Put it inside there. So yeah, if y'all be liking my videos, Don't forget to share it with others. Tell someone. Mama Weesie. Mama Weesie. Watch Mama Weesie. She got all these different things going on. Cooking. A little bit of pranks. And, you know, everything on her channel. You know? I'm going to shake it all up. Make sure the chicken is enough for the hot and spicy Cheetos. It's going all over the table because it's like a holding bag a little bit. So yeah. Woo. So, yeah. Ooh. Can't wait. My daughter got me doing this. Baby girl said, Mama, let's try it. Try it. Try it, Mom. Yeah, all on the table. So yeah. Now I'm going to take it over because I got my grease over there hot. And I'm going to put this inside. I'm going to let y'all see how it look with the cover on it. Ooh. Cover it up, cover it up. Cover it up, gee. See? Ooh. Yes. All in through and through. Hot. And no, I don't like hot, spicy, hot stuff. So this going to be whew, something in my mouth. And it's flaming too, the flaming one. So I'm going to take it over and put it in the fry. Okay, y'all. I'm over here with the grease in the frying pan. The chicken's still sitting. So now I'm about to put the chicken inside the Cheetos hot flaming chicken legs inside the grease. I know that y'all saw say, she didn't do it the way I see other people do it. But no, I didn't. I'm doing Weesie way, Mama Weesie way. So okay, that's one. Two. Three. I'm gonna take y'all a little closer so y'all get a good look. It's Mama Weesie way. So I'm gonna let that fry and get where it's supposed to be done. And I'm gonna be back with y'all. All right, welcome back. I have a special guest, and this is the little one that I was telling you about that had me to make the hot flaming Cheetos chicken. So yeah, as you can see, I sprinkle a little bit of basil on top of it. So now we about to do a taste test on it and see how it came out to be. Is it really hot like it's supposed to be or not?
Why you just knock the chicken off like that?
Ooh, it's hot.
This looks like cabbage. The joint that I saw on
Ooh. Yes, look at it. But to taste it. Ooh. This is the Mama Weesie way. The hot, it's hot. Yes, it is hot, y'all. We know the chicken is hot, but this the Cheeto is hot on it. How do you like it? Do you like it? How does it taste to you? What did you rate it?
It tastes good. I rate it. Oh.
Okay. Go ahead.
I rated a 10. It's really good.
All right. All right. Thanks y'all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. And keep coming back to see Mama Weesie do more things and more things. Thanks for watching.